Hello! Let's sing another song. This time is with the sound K. K. Just like the castanets. And what is this? Yes, well done. It's a kite. Now let's pretend to play the castanets with your hands and then pretend to be a kite flying in the sky. Are you ready? I'll put the music on. There we are. We are clinking castanets, k-k-k. We are clinking castanets, k-k-k. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, k-k-k. Kites, kites are flying in the sky, k-k-k. Kites are flying in the sky, k-k-k. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, k-k-k. Yes, great. Bye-bye.